Hi yogis, we'll begin in a comfortable cross-legged position here. Rest your hands on your knees, sit up tall, and just close your eyes. Begin to tune into your breath. Nice deep inhales and exhales through your nose. And just take a moment to set your intention for your day. Call in the energy of that intention as you flow with your breath today. Open your eyes and then reach your right arm across your body, hugging the right arm in towards you with your left, bending through your left elbow, creating a little hook. Feeling the stretch through the back of the right shoulder. Good. Release. Inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale, bend your right elbow. Take the left hand to the right elbow and reach your right fingertips toward the center of your back. Feeling the stretch through the right triceps here. Nice deep breaths. Inhale, reach both arms up. And exhale, switch sides, cross your left arm over. Bending the right elbow, using your right arm as a hook to hug the left arm in towards you. Inhale, reach both arms up. And then bend your left elbow and grab the left elbow with your right hand, feeling the stretch through the left triceps here, breathing nice and deep. Inhale, reach both arms up. Exhale, interlace your fingers behind you. Inhale, open the chest, gaze is slightly up, reaching your knuckles toward the earth. Exhale, release. Bring your hands to your knees. Sit up tall. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Bring your left hand to the right knee. Gaze over your right shoulder. Inhale to center. Exhale, twist. Gaze over your left shoulder. Inhale to center. Exhale, come into your tabletop. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. Cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Gaze forward, broaden through your collarbones. Drop your belly. Exhale, round. Tuck your tailbone, rolling one vertebrae at a time. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, come to neutral. Exhale, extend your left leg behind you, press into your left toes. Feel the stretch through the back of your left thigh. Inhale, lift the left leg, keep flexing through your left ankle, and then reach your right fingertips forward, creating a straight line of energy from your right fingertips to the sole of your left foot. Breathing deep, engaging your core. Exhale, release, switch sides, extend your right leg back behind you. Press into your right toes, feel the stretch through the back of your right thigh. And then lift the right leg, keep flexing through the right ankle. Extend your left fingertips forward, creating a straight line of energy. Exhale, release, extended child's pose. Bring your knees wide, big toes touching. Sit your hips back toward your heels and bring your forehead to the ground. Inhale, tabletop. And exhale, down dog. Send your hips up and back. Feet hip width distance apart. You can pedal out your feet for this first one if you'd like. Come to a static down dog if you're not already there. Inhale, lift your right leg, flex your foot, square your hips. Exhale, step your right foot between your hands, low lunge, lower the left knee down to the ground and reach your arms up. Exhale, frame your right foot, step to a tabletop. Cat-cow, inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, neutral. Exhale, down dog. Deep breaths. Inhale, lift your left leg, flex your foot, square your hips. Exhale, step your left foot between your hands, low lunge, lower the right knee down, sweep your arms toward the sky. Soften through your shoulders. Exhale, frame the left foot, step to your tabletop. Cat-cow, inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, neutral. Exhale, down dog. Lower down to your tabletop and come down onto your bum. Extend your legs in front of you. Flex through your ankles here, pointing your toes toward the sky. Inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale, fold forward, releasing any tension in your upper body, feeling the stretch through the back of your thighs. Inhale. Exhale, slowly release. We'll take a seated figure four. Bring your hands behind you, turn your fingertips back, slight bend in your elbows, and then bend your knees and cross your right leg over the left thigh, gently pressing your right knee away from you, breathing nice and deep here, feeling that stretch through the right glute and the outer right hip. Exhale, release, and switch sides. Cross your left ankle over the right thigh, pressing the left knee away from you. If it's too much to take this in a seated position, you can always take a reclined figure four on your back instead, breathing nice and deep. The closer you come to your left thigh, the more intense the stretch. Beautiful. Release. And then come down onto your back. Reach your arms up and point your toes for a full body stretch. Inhale. And exhale, hug your knees into your chest. Pausing here, thanking yourself for taking this time out of your day for you and coming to your mat. And then make your way into Shavasana when you're ready. Straighten your legs, turn the palms up, close your eyes, and know that you have nowhere else to be but in this moment. I encourage you to rest here for the next several minutes. If you enjoyed this class, please like, share, subscribe, become a member, or donate for class. This is where I'll leave you.